In this section, we will manually install an agent using an MSI installer file. Click on the installer file and click Next. Then, select the agent configuration, EDR mode, sensor mode. In the server address field, enter the server address. If it is a cloud configuration, enter the address, cloud.cyfox.com. If it is an on-premises server, enter the server address. Next, enter the license and activation key. Click Next. Click Next. Leave the agent folder location as is and do not change it. Click Next, and the installation will begin. Set the password according to the rules and click OK. Wait a few minutes for the agent to complete the initial scan process. Afterward, you will see that the agent is connected.